Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about video game CA.US reviews? So, guys, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. So, guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. Also, guys, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So next, guys, we'll provide you with the full details of this website. So make sure to watch the video till the end and do not miss out any points. So first of all, we'll check the website's type and the products they deals with. So this is an online shopping site which deals with video game consoles. They offer video game consoles from different brands like Nintendo Switch, Sony PlayStation, Microsoft Xbox, and many other brands. So guys, if you're interested in checking on their products, you have to visit to their official site. So next, guys, we'll check the other details of this website. So first, we'll check its payment method. And for that, you have to scroll it down till the end. And you will find it out here, the options. You can pay through Visa, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard, and also cash on delivery. Now, if you want to know about the shipping timing, guys, this website has not given the shipping information anywhere. So this is a negative point of this site. So now guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the alleged messy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And about their domain information, this website was registered on 23rd of November 2021 and it is going to expire on 23rd of November 2022, which means it is a very new website and hence it can't be trusted. Next, we'll check the about us details. So here they've given their about us details, but they have given very few details and they have not given their business establishment here or about their founder identity. So this can be taken as a negative point. Now about their contact details, they have also given their contact details in the main homepage. They have given their physical address and the email address. But guys, we have checked the physical address and it does not match at all. It does not seem like their own address. So this seems very suspicious. But guys, here the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. So now coming to their social media presence, guys, we have checked, but this website does not have any social media presence at all. So this is another negative point of this website. Now, if you want to know about their return and refund policy, this website also haven't given their return or refund policy anywhere. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now coming back to their video game CA.US reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score of this website is only 1% and the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the video game CA.US reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very new. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their policies and the trust score is very low. So it seems like a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.